उसके बाद ये ना भाई पूरा कर लिया तूने नहीं इतना भी नहीं किया 2-3 क्वेश्चन 3-4 क्वेश्चन नहीं किया क्या हुआ तीन से क्वेश्चन 3-4 क्वेश्चन के बाहर है आ जाना है ठीक है भाई मेरी क्या चल मत चल जल्दी निकाल लगेगा तो निकाल तो बाहर
decide what is the graph going on. Yeah, good evening. Did not see you for some time. Why? Huh? Not well. Now you are okay today?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Aditya, where were you?
Actually, board exams.
Board exam?
Well, board exams.
I think your sister. What was the exam? Good, no? Which school? Someone is missing still now. Hello.
Hi.
Anishka.
Yes.
Absent now. These all are signed by some person. Kanishka. How many places you signed?
One.
Only one.
Only two.
Only two.
Yes.
Then also you signed.
No, sir. Both lecture.
सर वो क्या लिख रहे हैं
Yeah. Almost were there?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Parents.
Was homework?
That's 2.2 question 3.
2.2 complete.
Yes.
No, 3 to 8.
वही ना complete exercise ना.
Homework question.
Homework exercise to complete. Completed all of you?
Doubts. 5 doubts.
5?
He also.
Yes.
He also. He also.
5 doubts.
Yes.
What is it? 5 doubts. That means how many questions you have done? 1 question. That's the formula learned.
Sir, I told you in last class.
Last class is there. Today I am asking you. Put this mobile and you have done the work is completed now. Send the book. Take out the book. What is it? That book. Why is this not done? Where is it? I would like to see everyone's homework. It looked like the blank book will be showing. Then I feel something. Today I will send the message, okay? No more excuses. Okay, now let me say. Long time I am asking you. Yes, I see. You only know how much. Done. Then we have to let you now. You have to do now. That is done already.
Yes.
Not worry. Verification of that. Verification has to do now. Now I have not accept this work, okay?
Why?
You have to write neatly. It is not me. Time is not there. I will get the time. If you don't write, I will find the time. How that time you will come to know? When you teach home, you will come to know. Homework right little they but I cannot read the numbers, so you know.
I will tell you.
You don't, so you will along the paper, you will go, then we will go with the paper over. So little one neatly written, no problem. Okay. We don't think you will copy, copy. For oh, what? You know, work is not completed. Yeah. Pencil or pen? My pencil. Not a pen. No. Pencil work is not accepted. What mistake or not? You know what the rule? You know what is the rule? If examination, if you appear with the pencil, you will not be. You, I know. You know. The notes you write with the pencil. You write the note with the pencil. So that we'll see next time. Okay. Let's do it. Whatever is done. There is a thing. This all what? This is your. How do the friends? Last time you said I had no time, so this time you did not. How many numbers? 4 numbers. Next one. Sit down. You want 12 is the one. Question number 8 down. Where is the properly, I need to give the answer. Okay. Is the AC is more divided by or only for this one? These all things I am to see this whole problem. Okay. You know, when I enter over there, the reception they keep on asking if you have any names to send. You know what they are asking? Complaint. Do you have any names? If there is any complaint. Some parents are keep on calling. I don't know who's parent. Is there any problem? There are homework are not doing. No, you do not do. Really nice. Once one answer is wrong, you give stop everything. Don't do that way. If in the exam what you do, one exam answer is wrong, you should do. What about you? Now look here, everyone's book I have to check regularly out. Look like where is it? Your Aaron or you standard, your answer, you sit down, applicant sit down for the time being. Yours also nothing I can see. That is why I asked, homework is done? Yes, yes. See? What about it? Huh? Which step, which question you not understand? Read one question and you can understand. Then read the third question.
Minus x minus 4 and the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta x plus.
It's the we are done in the classroom. Same question. Read the question out here. So these are things we need to class. What is the difference of these two questions? Tell me what difference is there. Is it the same? What is the same? I have different way different like that. If I want to make you read and read, no, don't tell me that I am not really read. There should be something. Why is you model? Huh? You don't know. Next one. Your this is yours. You also same problem. What is it here? This is the way to write. And then next time, then the you know, doesn't look like you also is the complete one. Yours next. I don't need to check the same thing, you know. Now you tell I was answering. Voice side. Hello, listen. Don't work. Now, partially here and there, one part it is done and come down. It will not work now. Okay. Daily, how many subs you are supposed to do? Daily, how many sums supposed to do? Gandhi, then, okay, then, and how many sums you are done? All together? All together, how many sums are done? One sum. Means at least 20 sums you are supposed to show me now. So, don't tell me this one, I had all doubts. Okay, doubts means you take other questions and do it. Understood? I'll take the attendance sheet and send my homework not done, I'll send the message to everyone. Better now, one, let's start now. Yes, she's the desk. Thanks. Indirectly, she's telling when my turn comes, you want to send.
No.
Okay. Yeah, attendance sheet. All the messages will go to the parent that homework is not done. Okay, now the instructions were very clear. If you are not able to daily 10 sums, where is the daily 10 sums? That also is not there. Okay, this is not done. Okay, I have agreed. Girish, how many done? Counting. 11 sums. Girish, sit down. 11 sums, something is there. Anyone else has to do? Huh? What? Where? Tell me. How many sums? At least some practice just I have a rest of people I had to 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7 people I have to send them again. Aditya was asking that is very. You did not do anything and come now. You also sit down. But next time, you know, absenteeism will not work. All does not mean that I should stop. My hand is working now. Okay, now. Sit down when I work people. Now tell me, Gandhi, tell me standard. Read the question which you are not able to read. Do tell me.
If alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial,
Ah.
f of x
is equal to
x square minus x
square minus x
minus 4.
minus 4.
Find the value of 1 by alpha
1 by alpha
plus 1 by beta
plus 1 by beta
minus alpha beta.
minus alpha b. This is the question now. Okay. Well, can you stand up? What is the problem? Tell me. What is the value of a, b, c? Tell me.
Minus 1 minus 4.
B is equal to minus 1, c minus 4. Then what is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a is how much?
1 by
1 now.
yes.
And alpha beta? C by a now.
Yes.
So c by a is how much? Minus 4. This means is there any problem? Now this one to solve. You know how to take the LCM?
Yes.
And then take the LCM and then you know this value, no? Do you know what the value of alpha beta?
Minus 2.
Minus 4. This way you don't know. So you know how to take the LCM. All of you listen, those are not done. Then take the LCM and tell me.
Alpha plus beta.
Alpha plus beta or beta plus alpha. Okay. Minus alpha beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? 1 divided by minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4. Therefore, it is coming out minus 1 plus 16 divided by 4. No? That is equal to 15. Minus or what? Plus 15. No? Minus is here. 6. Yes or no? Very difficult. No? Then, next, what else? One part is the only second part. Only one part. Okay. Ashwar, then, your question now tell me. These all questions, those who are not done, these all questions do two times. And write neatly and properly. Some of you are even, I was saying, some of your handwriting means, primary students do write better than this one. Including you, I am telling you. As you take one by your names. Yeah. Ashwar, then read the next question.
Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 5x plus k.
X square minus 5x plus k.
Such that alpha minus beta is equal to 1.
Find the value of k now. Same way. This is a is equal to how much? 1. B is equal to minus 5. C is equal to k. Okay. After then standard. What is alpha plus beta?
Minus 1 plus 2.
Minus 1.
Minus 5 plus 2.
Minus 5.
Sorry.
Minus 5 upon 1. Formula you have to write 5. Alpha beta C by A, which is equal to K. Then you have alpha minus beta, you have alpha plus beta, you have alpha beta. There is a relation to connecting these one. Adding formula I have given you. Why are you looking at him? I am asking you. There is a formula connecting alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta, and alpha beta. Yesterday only I gave you, last class only I gave you. I don't know. Then write 25 times. Alpha minus, but you have to show the note. Full Gandhi is family परिवार हो गया. Alpha minus beta whole square. Now remember that present. Remember still not. So if you remember, don't look it. Without looking. You. Alan. There is a formula connecting these three. You remember? You remember? If a formula connecting these three. Yes or no? No. That means if this shows majority doesn't open the book. Alpha plus beta won't give you. Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. This identity was given in the class now.
Yes.
So now one by one I have to make you to write. Then only it will be start, real formula will be starting. So substitute this one. 1 square is equal to alpha plus beta 5 square minus 4 into k. That is 1 is equal to 25 minus 4k. Solve it. 4k. 25 minus 1, 24. K is equal to 6. Difficult? We don't know, so all difficult. 5 questions. Sit down. Now who's the other one doubt? Who's the other one having doubt? No doubt. You said 5 questions doubt. Yes, what is your problem? Question 4. This was question which one? This is 4 only.
That's fine.
This is 5. This is 5. Okay, read 4th question. This is 4 or 5. This is 5. So read 4. P of x is equal to
4x
Huh?
x square minus 5x minus 1.
Minus 1.
Find the value of alpha square
Alpha square beta.
plus alpha beta.
Alpha beta square. The same way now. Can you take anything off? Why factorization? You want to do factorize? You will not be able to do factorization. Product is minus 4, sum is equal to minus 5. Which are the factors? Factorization is not possible. You will write as A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 5, C is equal to minus 1. Alpha plus beta minus B upon A is equal to minus minus, that is 5 by 4. Alpha beta C by A minus 1 by 4. Okay. Then we need to find the alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. We don't have this one. You can simplify. What are it? So common factor. Don't talk. You tell the problems to me. The common factor you can take now. What is common between these two? Alpha beta is common. Left out is what? Alpha plus put the value. Value of alpha beta minus 1 by 2. Alpha beta 5 by 2. Multiply for that is equal to minus 5 upon 16. Understood? Okay.
Second question, how alpha is beta in one?
You wanted to read question read now. Right? But he is not read the question. The question is given now. Okay. Whatever not there means it is given in the question. These are all given. Okay, this is the property. Okay, what is the other doubt? You have a doubt? You have a doubt? What's the doubt then? Gandhi, then where is your 5 doubts? Solved. Actually, by seeing the solution will come out. Then, actually, Harshvardhan is seeing the solution as well. Every once in a while, Harshvardhan, show your face. One video call and show your face. You will get the answers. That's common problem, no? Otherwise, you will tell mommy got the call. Okay. Seriously do the work. Things are not going. Huh? Huh? Who is that? You have doubt. No, I keep on asking who was doubt you are asking. Read.
Alpha beta the zeros of f of x is equal to 2x square plus 5.
F of x is equal to 2x square plus 5x
Plus k.
plus k.
Satisfy the relation alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to 21.4.
Alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4. By 4, no?
And find the value of k for this.
So for first of all, same way. ABC will write now. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, C is equal to K. Okay, finish your standard. Okay, continue. Alpha plus beta minus 5 by 2. Alpha beta K by 2. Remember to write the formula. Okay, now how do you do it? Take this one alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4. This will be replaced as what? 20. So this one will be what? Alpha plus beta. What will the for this one? Minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4. This you can simplify also. That is alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus 5. The whole square. Minus, what is it? K by 2 is equal to 21 by 4. Tell us. 25 by 4 minus 21 by 4 is equal to K by 2. That is equal to how much? 25 minus 20, 4 by 4 now is equal to k by 2, k is equal to 2. Understood or not? Yes, problem. These are important types of questions. You can see most of the places the same questions are there. So that means this how important this one. All of you need to do this exercise. These all questions do once again as a practice. Okay, everyone. Done? That you do it wrong. You followed now?
Yes. This one is.
I have given one question. Okay, done. Exercise over. More are there. Ask one more question there that all of you got. Huh?
One extra question.
I have given one extra question. What is the question? Read. X square minus plus 3x minus 15. No? Okay.
For the formula, zeros are placed. 2 alpha plus 3 and beta plus 2.
2 alpha plus 3 and 2 beta plus 3. 3 only, no?
Yes.
There are different ways you can get it. It's a complicated form also it can come. See, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to minus 15. Yes or no? Yeah, this girl. What's your name? One Shika. Tell what is alpha plus beta. Standard, don't look at the book and read.
Alpha plus 4 equals
Minus B by A minus 3 by 2. Alpha beta.
minus 2.
C by A which is equal to minus 15 by 2. Okay, this much all of you followed. Then what do you find out the sum now? Sum of new roots which is equal to 2 alpha plus 3 plus 2 beta plus 3. One Shika, how to simplify this one? 2 you can take common from these two, alpha plus beta.
Yeah,
Plus
6.
plus 6. Very good. 2 times how much?
Minus 3 by 2.
Minus 3 by 2 plus 6. This 2 is cancelled, so it is equal to 3. You get now?
Yes.
Product. Product of mu 0. Use it down. Now another person. Tell. Yes. It's the who. You can tell. What? Not following out. You are sitting separately and are you following what is going on? Sure. Your practice is not going very well. You have to do it, otherwise mark will not come. You will come and sit. You know, there was one boy who used to come online, not YouTube, okay, 2, 3 years back. He is always very happy to come and sit over here. Finally, 10th standard, he got only 40%. Why? Practice. He will answer all the answers. He never practiced anything. Later we found out. It's not that you come and sit and go. Practice seriously and regularly. Otherwise, mark you will not get. That's why I'm telling you. Okay. This is 2 alpha plus 3 times 2 beta plus 3. Product. Okay. Here. Open. Yes, you. You did not tell anything today, no?
2 alpha.
No.
2 alpha. Bracket 2 beta plus 3.
Directly can you multiply? What he said is correct. So multiply this into 4.
4 alpha beta.
4 alpha beta.
Plus 6 alpha.
Okay.
Plus 6 alpha. 6 beta. Plus 9.
Okay, directly again what he said is correct. So do you know what is to be done now? 4 alpha beta plus 6 is common now. Alpha plus beta plus 9. So 4 times alpha beta is how much? Minus 15 by 2 now. Plus 6 times minus 3 by 2 plus 9. Can you check what is it? Is it cancelled and one negative?
Minus 2
Minus 15.
plus 2.
That is minus 30 now. This is cancelled and not negative. Minus 9 plus 9.
Plus 9.
Minus 9. So this can be as 3 upon 1. This is minus 30 upon 1. This is equal to minus B by A. And this is equal to how much? C upon A. Then what the value of A? A is equal to 1. Minus B is equal to 3 or B is equal to minus 3. C is equal to minus 30. Yes or no? How many we got this answer? Only 1, 2. You did not get. Can we? You got this answer? Not done. Why? Forgot. Then, therefore, the polynomial is ax square means what? 1 time x square. X square minus 3x minus 13. You have to write times k, where k is not equal to 0. Are you followed? Okay. This is the polynomial getting. So this is the question. This question comes of 3 to 4 marks. So be careful of doing. If you can factorize and solve it. You cannot factorize. 13 cannot be factorized to 3. Now, 9, 6, 5, 7. 10, 3, 7. You can factorize, you can solve that way also. Done, all of you? Okay. Anything else? Exercise is over. All questions are done. Okay. So let's summarize this one. Look here, all of you. There are more. This one contains more application and questions are coming. Okay. Now, first is quadratic linear polynomial. All of you close the books. Or not the textbook. Listen. Let's quickly revise. Written? Method you know now. Just go final value right. Method. Try you do it yourself. Okay. Are you guys? Yes. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Degree 1. What is the general form?
2x plus
Ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. How many zeros?
1.
1 0. Only 1 0. Graphically.
Straight
line. Quadratic polynomial. Degree 2. General form. Where a is not equal to 0. How many zeros? Maximum of 2 zeros. Okay. Then the figure. Okay, so you parabola and then one point. Okay. Yes now. Okay, round at the most zeros. Now parabola, it is coming here. Look here. Over here. One more thing you keep in mind. F of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. If a is greater than 0, the parabola's opening is towards up. Which way the parabola? If a is less than 0, the parabola's opening is this way. This is for a less than 0. These all it's not there. Sometimes nowadays, application questions are coming. That's why I'm doing it. Okay. The value of a is greater than 0 means opening is towards up. Okay. Less than 0 means opening is towards down. Yeah. Next is here. How to identify the zeros of the polynomial from graph?
Line touching the x-axis.
The curve touching the x-axis. If the polynomial is in x. Polynomial is in x, where the point where it meeting the x-axis are called the zeros. The polynomial in y, where it meets the y-axis are called the zeros. Okay. Then for the quadratic polynomial, relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Raise your hand. For the quadratic, yes.
Minus coefficient of x by
What is equal to?
sum.
Sum of zeros equal
Minus coefficient of x by
coefficient of x square. Statement, remember, you will see that minus b by and c by a, but verify means you have to write that statement. Then product. Constant product of zero is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square. Okay. 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 Then if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, alpha plus beta.
Minus b by a.
Alpha beta.
C by
A. That's a shortcut method. If the sum of zeros and product of zeros. Quadratic polynomial is. If sum of zeros and product of zeros are there, quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. That's another shortcut method also I have given. X square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Okay. I'm not asking the identities, but these are identities you have to remember. Alpha square plus beta square.
Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha.
Minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha cube plus beta cube. Huh? Alpha cube plus beta cube. And then why did you raise your hand? Then you are
Alpha, then beta whole is 3 alpha beta into
alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Alpha is very rare only used, but I give one. Alpha is 4 plus beta is 4.
alpha square.
Wait. No, I'll ask. Okay.
Alpha square plus beta square whole square plus 2 alpha beta whole square
Minus 2 alpha beta whole square. Alpha minus beta whole square. Minus 4 alpha beta. Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. These are the basic concept of this chapter it is coming. Okay. Next heading, right? This one also it's not clear. Sometimes generally it's not there. Once again. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. General form is f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equal to 0. Where a not equal to 0. How many zeros? At the most 3 zeros. Okay, this one we are discussed. Now the z written this way. Use where a is not equal to 0. Right. The zeros are denoted by alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. 3 zeros. Alpha, beta, gamma. Gamma is in like R. Okay. Now, the relation alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. Alpha gamma is equal to c by a. Is equal to c by a. Alpha beta gamma minus d upon a. Minus d upon a. Remember, sometimes you may get question based on this one. Values will be given, write the polynomial. Okay. There were previously a lot of application questions were there based on this one. AP based question and all. Arithmetic progression. That all things nowadays is not there. Look here. Alpha plus this means sum of the zeros. What does it mean? This is called what? Sum of zeros. What does it mean? Sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time. Sum of the listen, that is why statements you have to identify because in the question it may come. Sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time. See, alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, gamma. 2 at a time. First and second and third, first and each sum. Product is taken 2 at a time and added is equal to c by a. And this is what? This is what? Product of zeros. This is sum of zeros, this is product of zeros. What is this one? Sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time. Or instead of 2 at a time, there somewhere you'll see alternating. What? Alternating. Okay, like that also. Where it generally may not get the questions. In case if it is given means you have to from here you can get ABCD now. Where is ABCD and like you remember now denominator makes same. These are the things. Okay, all right. Here. Now, listen. Another one. There are 2-3 words I am making you familiar. These all things, I am seeing previous year question paper from there only. Sometimes these all things are new things coming. If the two zeros are reciprocals of each other, don't write. What does it mean? The two zeros are reciprocals of each other.
Alpha is equal to
One is alpha and the other will be
beta.
reciprocal. Will be 1
1
upon alpha. Reciprocal means what? 1 0 is 2. What is the reciprocal? 1 by 2. Or if 1 0 is 3 by 4, other 0 will be 4 by 3. Reciprocal means beta will be equal to 1 by alpha. Reciprocal, no? Understood? Second 0 will be the reciprocal of first alpha. First one. If 1 0 is alpha, means second 0 will be what? 1 upon alpha. Look here. Over here. Suppose if it is given us two zeros are reciprocals. F of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus alpha is 1 0. Beta will be reciprocal means 1 by alpha. Where the property will come as? Here, listen here. Not follow. Huh? No. Then reciprocal. Then over here, alpha is same as alpha. When you take the product, we have C by A now. Then beta will be replaced as how much? Beta is equal to 1 by alpha. Therefore, alpha times 1 by alpha is equal to C by A. This alpha and alpha is cancelled. 1 is equal to C by A. Therefore, A is equal to C. Have you seen? 1 0 is the reciprocal means the relation between A and C. These are questions come in the MCQs. Okay, what is the relation between the coefficients? 1 0 is the reciprocal of the other one. Therefore, A and C will be equal. Or this is the relationship coming. If A and C are equal means 1 0 is the reciprocal of the other one. You will see that conditions. Understood? This is the one. Next. 1 0 is the negative of the other one. One zero is the negative of the other one.
So I is equal to minus beta.
One of them is negative. So if you take it as one of them is alpha, second one is minus alpha or alpha equal to C. First zero is alpha and beta will be equal to minus alpha. Understood or not? Negative means what? If 1 0 is 5, what is the other 0? Minus 5. If 1 0 is 3 by 4, other 0 is B minus 3 by 4. If 1 0 is minus 7, other 0 is 7. If it is given, like in this case, what is the relation? If you take alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A, then what do you get? Beta will be replaced as how much? Minus alpha. That is alpha minus alpha is minus B by A. Then what do you get? Alpha minus alpha is how much? 0 is equal to minus B by A. Cross multiply. 0 is equal to minus B or B will be 0. That is another relation you are getting as value of B will become 0. One B is equal to 0 means the 1 0 will be negative of the other. This way conditions when it is coming in the question you have to apply. Okay. Situation to situation you have to do the questions. Okay. These are certain additional works, informations are there. More another that these all things are not there. Previously. Another one is there. This chapter is related to another chapter you are going to study. Chapter called quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation yesterday. What quadratic equation means? This is called what? This is called what? What is it? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic equation means is equal to 0. If this one is called quadratic, look here. What is AX plus B? Linear polynomial. What is linear equation means AX plus B equal to 0. Okay, equation means equal to 0. Now, in the quadratic equation, there are a lot of properties you are going to study. That properties are used over here. Okay, so write this or one more property, right? In a quadratic polynomial, ax squared plus bx plus c. In a quadratic polynomial, ax squared plus bx plus c. If b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac. When you calculate b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then the zeros are same. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means then the zeros are same. Okay, means there is only how many zeros will be there? Only one zero. Okay, second, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then there are two zeros. B square minus 4ac greater than 0, then there are how many zeros are there? Two zeros. Third, there are two zeros. Then third one, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then there are no zeros. There are no zeros. This one you keep in mind. For example, if it is coming out this way, x squared minus, let's say 2x plus 15. Can you find the zeros? Check factorize. Yeah, they don't need to write to factorize.
Yes.
What is the product?
15.
15.
So,
Sum is minus 2. All is split.
we do what?
3 into
X square minus 5x plus yes.
or 5 and minus 3 is not now. Take all of it. Don't write here. Very listen now. No need to do. Then you factorize. Product is 15. Plus 15 means just both the numbers should be either both are positive or both are negative. 3 and 5 means 3 into 5 is 15, but it is not.
Yes.
And if 5x minus 3x means 5 and minus 3. Product is plus 15 now. 5 into minus 3 is how much? Minus 15 now. Is it minus 15? No. So this can, it is not possible. The reason is this reason. What is the value of A? What is the value of A? 1. B minus 2. C 15. Check what is the value of B square minus 4 is. How much? Minus 2 square. 4. Minus 4 into 1 into 15. That is 60. That is equal to minus 50. Less than. That is why it cannot. Had it been it this way, can you factorize? Yes, you can factorize. What you people are telling it is correct. 3 and minus 4. That you can factorize. Then you can see, if you see it will be it will minus coming 64. Wait. We follow. In your exercise, you studied this one now. First question was 4s square minus 4s plus 1. You remember? Factorize and relationship. Over there, if you find out what is b square minus 4ac, do you know how much? B square means what? Minus 4 square. Minus 4 into 1. Check how much? 16 minus 16. It's equal to 0. That means both the zeros you got that much. If you remember 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, same zeros. So these are relations are there. More details you will study in your chapter quadratic equation. Why I have shown this one means similar types also you will see there are different relations. Okay, that's it. Okay, take out your next exercise. Exercise number 2.3. All of you taken? Okay. 2.3. That's only MCQ. Little complicated MCQs are there. Check. Well, Aaron, do it now yourself. Do it. I'm not getting. We'll discuss. No problem. MCQ one question per question. More than 1 minute. Don't spend. Maximum 1 or 2 minutes. Beyond that, don't. Maybe you got the first answer. 3, 4, 5, 6. Others are not getting. Yes, Girish, read.
If alpha, beta, the series of the polynomial f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1, then 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is equal to
1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. Alpha plus beta minus B by A, and alpha beta is equal to C by A. So take the LCM. So answer, you got now alpha plus beta. Minus 1 upon 1, which is equal to minus 1. This is simple one, very simple one only. You should have done. Okay, options like. This man is searching and searching. Time over for the second one. Who got the second answer? Second answer. There. Then why I say you are sleeping or time pass we are doing now? Kanishka, read the question.
If 1 0 for polynomial f of x, k square multiplied by x square,
Yes, what is it?
k square,
K square plus
4 in brackets,
x square.
x square plus 13x
Ah,
plus 4k is multiple of other than
Okay.
k is equal to.
So what is the reciprocal? So first is H, K square plus 4. B is equal to 13. C is equal to 4K. How many of you got this much? Then it is given, what is the value? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 13 by K square plus 4. Alpha beta is equal to 4K by K square plus 4. It is given as 1 is a reciprocal. Just now only I did it. That means all were listening. Alpha is equal to alpha and beta will be 1 upon alpha. Reciprocal. So 1 upon alpha means how it is cancelled. Adding it will not cancel. In the product A, alpha beta is equal to 4K upon K square plus 4. So replace the value of this one. Alpha times 1 upon alpha is equal to 4K upon K square plus 4. See, this is cancelled. Only K is left out now. So cross multiply. So what will you get here? K square plus 4 is equal to 4K. Then that is K square minus 4K plus 4 is equal to 0. This is identity. K minus 2 whole square equal to 0. K is equal to 2. Followed. Check the steps. Reciprocal. One is the reciprocal. So if we take alpha means next one is 1 by alpha. The same steps I have shown to you. C is equal to A. Means these two are equal. That one I have shown to you. And not listens properly. Right. Second one. Questions sometimes it's not easy. This time also 10th board MCQs were not easy. Don't think lightly, don't take lightly, things will not work. Take the steps wherever not followed, you tell me, I'll explain again. Girish. Alpha, beta is 1 upon alpha, no? Reciprocal means beta's value is 1 upon alpha. So I wrote beta is replaced by 1 upon alpha. Understood? Reciprocal, no? If it is alpha means second one is 1 upon alpha. If it is beta means second one is 1 upon beta. Right? Okay now? In fact, if you don't not require this also to write. Because directly you can see by A by B. That will also you can write. Third one. Gandhi did. Kanishka did. Okay, Gandhi. What's the answer you got?
X square plus
Option.
px.
No options.
C.
C. You. Same option. Akka. Okay, right? Okay. Okay, Gandhi. Last question you read. You read, no? Okay, read. Gandhi, read the question.
The alpha and beta is series of polynomial f of x equal to x square plus px plus q.
Px plus q.
The
Okay.
polynomial having 1 by alpha and 1 by beta.
You have to obtain a polynomial whose zeros are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. है ना? So A is equal to 1, B is equal to P, C is equal to Q. Kanishka, this way done. Kanishka,
Yes.
minus B by A means minus P. Alpha beta C by A means Q. So you got therefore sum is equal to 1 upon alpha plus Gandhi, this way done now. Alpha beta take your LCM beta plus alpha,
Yes, sir.
which is equal to what is it coming as minus P upon Q. Yes or no? Then product is equal to 1 by alpha times 1 by beta. Same question we have done 1 by alpha beta, that is equal to 1 by Q. Therefore, this is equal to minus P by A minus C by A. What is the value of A? A is equal to Q. B minus B is equal to minus P. Therefore, B is equal to B and C is equal to how much? 1. Therefore, the polynomial is QX square plus PX plus 1. Is that done? Same way you done now? Same, similar also. Check the steps. Similar question we did 2, 3 types question. Their numbers are given, so calculation of little one is given. Following. Sure. Hello. Anamika. Sorry, Avantika.
1 second.
Vakshika. Oh. Hold on now. Harshvardhan, my friend, I am not hearing anything from you, my dear. Why? I am doing not this way. He is doing 1, 1, 1, and you people are not doing. Next is fourth one. It's a fourth one down. Who did fourth one? Nobody is getting. Your hand is up. Okay. Now, read the fourth question. Let me read fourth question.
If alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial, f of x equals to x squared minus 2, x plus 1 minus c.
X square minus x plus 1. Minus c.
That
Minus
c such that alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1 equals to 0.
Alpha plus 1 times beta plus 1 is equal to 0. है ना? Is so?
Then c equals to that.
So you have to find out. No, hurry, we have missed something. I did not hear. Minus p times na. है ना? This is a question, na? Yes or no? Now, look here. It's easy one. Alpha, what are alpha and beta? What are alpha and beta? Zeros of this polynomial now. Alpha plus 1 times beta plus 1 equal to 0 means alpha plus 1 equal to 0 and beta plus 1 is equal to 0. That means alpha is equal to how much? Minus 1 and beta is equal to minus 1. That means zeros are coming as what? Same zeros now. So what did you find out? Value? C. So when you put, oh, done. What the answer? What the answer you got? Huh?
Which one?
Fourth one. And then what you, when I am discussing, you are writing something else. Then, so you are getting this is the condition. So alpha plus 1 times this one. What is the value it is coming? Okay or not? Yes or no? No problem. Okay. So then we can substitute alpha is equal to minus 1 if you are substituting, simplified. The answer should become 0. Means alpha means x. Is zeros no. Minus 1 is a 0 means x can be replaced by minus 1. Okay. You may not get the complete answer. For that one more statement you have to write. First of all, do you know what are the values of A, B, C? This is not in the standard form. How do you make it to the standard form? Open the bracket. X square minus px minus p minus c. Therefore, this is of the form x square minus p minus of p plus. Now, the value of a is equal to 1. B is equal to how much you get? Minus p. C is equal to minus of p plus. This is the format. Then try to if you're substituting, will you get? If not, you expand and put the value of alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus p by a. Minus p by a means p. And alpha beta c by a. Minus p plus c upon c. Solve it, you will get the answer. Try to solve it. Not getting, I'll explain. Fifth one, I think fifth one is.
Minus 6 by minus 5. Minus 5 and 6.
Fifth and sixth, I think it's not that difficult. Some of the zeros, okay. These are remaining other two are not that difficult. Okay, you have to homework part, that means over now. You have to come look here. This one to exercise 2.3, you have to complete. Now classwork and homework, the session reason also. You have to teach the why classwork? Okay, don't do classwork. Do another 30 sums. No problem. I listen to them, classroom, we have to go in the classroom, Okay, do 30 other sums, I will give you other 30 sums. Don't worry, my dear. We feel now classroom, classwork should be now, family, we should listen. Yes, no problem. So, we will do this one. Okay, so what is to be done? It is 2.3, we'll do our, I'll give another 30 sums.
You can do another. Yes,
She will,
we can.
very nice.
No.
Yes. And then we have to do another 30 sums, okay? Now, this done. So remind me of my not consent.
I will not do.
We will not do, I will tell them to take open so that. You only ask them. Now listen all of you. Now see the questions, how difficult are coming now. It's not that everything as it is easy. Sometimes it's not that everything is difficult will come. There are easy will come, there are difficult will come. You need to do. And your real number, when is the test paper? 20th. So please prepare. Okay. Mark plus means then I will also show this way. So just remember. So preparation is required. In the school, by the way, I forgot. In the school, any other chapter started? Third chapter. So we will start with the done. Over. Your division done. Your division not done. So we will do.